What's going on, guys? Today I'm by myself. I'm gonna prank Jessica. We need to go to Altona, which is about an hour away from where we at. And I told her that I don't feel good, that I need her to drive. I'm gonna hide the camera in the car, and this is what she's gonna be looking at, guys. Wish me luck. This is what she's gonna be looking at, guys. Honk to annoy my wife. I didn't want to cover the license plate, but that's what she's gonna be getting at. Guys, please subscribe if you're new. If you like this prank, go give us a thumbs up right now, and we'll see you in a little bit, guys.
Oh, well, it started raining. Let's hope it stops. That's why I didn't want to do nothing with this here. I figured I'm just going to leave it curly. It's going to rain. It's going to be hot, right? Muggy. ¿Qué pasó?
I don't know what's going on.
Why are people honking? Why are people honking and looking at
I have
me?
no idea what they're honking.
¿Estás riendo?
What are you doing?
Nada, yo estoy aquí bien. Everybody is honking. Everybody is honking. What did I do?
I don't know.
I didn't turn wrong, and they're laughing.
You got like four cars. You got like 4 cars.
What? What am I doing?
I don't know, probably.
Mira, yo voy a salir del carro. Van a pelear con ellos. What's going on? Like everybody's honking at me.
I don't know why. I don't know, you got like 3 or 4 people honking at you at the same time.
Are you serious?
What?
But what did I do? Did you see me do anything?
I don't know. Did you stop hard? I wasn't paying attention.
I'm stopping at a light. I'm getting ready to go straight. But that's weird because they were honking, laughing. They were honking over here. And then I guess other ones. I heard like 4 cars honk. What the hell's going on? That was weird. But it's like they knew me because they were looking at me.
I don't know.
They were laughing. Even the lady next to him was laughing.
I don't know them.
I wonder what's going on. Well, that was weird. That was really strange. Wwhy are you laughing? 4 cars honked. At least 4 cars honked at me.
4 at the same time.
And I'm not even doing anything. What's going on?
Nothing is going on.
Okay. Because it's like all of a sudden you got this smirk on your face, and then all these cars are honking at me and then looking at me and laughing. So I don't know what's going on.
I got nothing to do with me laughing.
I don't know. I'm not driving crazy. I drive my normal self. There's nothing I'm doing weird. But these cars were all of a sudden just honking at me and shit. It's really weird. Where are we going to? Shop right here?
Yeah. Do you put your signal light? Somebody else honked at you.
I don't know if it was me or somebody else, but somebody honked. I'm just pulling into the gas station. What's going on?
She probably didn't put the signal light.
What side is it on?
On your side. No, on this side,
You just told me my side.
I know. I get it. Let me get mine. And then over there you go. Hold on, now you're gonna have a car over here.
Coño, Mari, hold on. Oh, now the car. But see, this guy's coming, so we can get into an accident right here.
That one is
No, I'm not gonna chance it. I'm gonna get into an accident right here. This is the worst intersection right here. Colonial. The worst intersection. It's just accident ready to happen. That's all it is. Let's go. Come on. Go. Move. Move. Your fucking ass. Who you honking at? Don't be honking at me.
There's no cars coming.
Yeah, but I gotta wait. Don't tell me people are honking at me again, because I don't know what I'm doing wrong. They should be honking
just
at me.
like get out of there like crazy. For starters. It's a light. And then you stop. Oh my God. You just run a red light. I am perfectly fine.
First of all, I'm talking about the first of all, you don't drive red light. So DoorDash, you drive crazy.
Babe, you are the grand red light. And on top of that, you break while you was doing it. It's not like you're like, you were doing it. I could have gotten killed. Because he was making me.
You're gonna die. Shut up. Shit.
Somebody hit me on my side, yes.
Shut up.
Because that's the way the cars were coming.
Just put your headset on and listen to some music. Because you're driving me crazy. You're like a little kid in the back. Like you just want to tell the kid, cállate la boca before I put my hand in your mouth. I love you, but that's how I feel like sometimes with you. We need to like, I feel like strangling you. Oh, now it's raining. Rain. Rain. Exactly. I don't know what they're saying because they're in the
going on? I don't know, baby. I don't know. Why are you crying? Yo no sé por qué me está haciendo esto a mí. En serio, dije que llorar. Why are you crying? Porque no maneja mal. I don't drive bad. I don't want to move with Pico. I swear I'm not doing nothing bad. Shut up. Hi, release from Deltona. Hopefully I don't get bunked out over here. You know what? Actually, we're gonna stop over here and I'm gonna let you drive because I'm done with this. You can have this car. They can bonk at you because I'm tired of being bonked at. We're gonna pull in right over here. We're not far from our destination anyway. And you can take over. You can continue. I'm so sick of this shit. I'm so sick of this. You can take over. I'm done with this. I'm done. I've done my share of driving. I've done my share of being honked at. I've done my share of you laughing. I'm tired of you calling me a crazy driver. I'm not crazy. Some reason I have been bunked at from the house all the way over here and almost an hour drive, and I don't understand why. And you think it's funny. What's going on? I don't know what's going on. Then why are you laughing? Because it's funny when people honk at you and you get mad. I'm done. So you don't know how to drive. I'm done. I'm done. What is that?
What is what?
What is this? What is what?
Are you serious?
You had this sign the whole time on the car? That's why I was being honked at?
Get out of here. Get out of here, man.
Yes.
And the car.
Wow. I am so embarrassed.
Why? Why are you embarrassed?
I'm so embarrassed right now that I feel like crying.
Why you feel like crying? Why you feel like crying? How does it feel to?
Because you literally had a sign on the back of the car saying honk to annoy my wife the whole time, and I had no damn idea.
You like it?
No, I don't like it.
It's too bad.
Why did you do that to me? Why did you do that to me? Why did you make me look stupid? Why did you let me get mad and people honking at me and I'm feeling like an idiot and I'm feeling like I'm driving bad and you just kept going with it?
That's a prank. That's a prank. You being pranked, and people went along with me. You didn't know how many people like passed to this side that they hung and then they went like this, like driving, and then they put in the thumbs like this, like. All right, you like it?
I hate you. I don't even want to talk to you for the rest of the day. But I have to because you're my spouse.
Well, guys, if you did like this prank, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
Where's the camera at? Oh my god. You had the GoPro the whole time in there?
Yeah.
I didn't even see it.
That was
Alright.
Well, guys, don't forget to subscribe, and we love you. Peace.